Good morning. This video is showing how to set up a WordPress.com, which is a free account, a lot like a Facebook account, which means that you are inside of a closed family group. So the first thing we do is go to WordPress.com and we're signing up. We need to select a name for our blog, and then a username, and then a password. The username is used, and the username and password are used to get into your account, to access your account. So it's going to ask you for the password twice to confirm that you really want that to be your password, and then request a email address. This instance, I'm putting in our email address for WordPress Fashion, which is our help desk, wphelp1@gmail. Scroll down, you'll notice that the system's asking you to upgrade or create a blog, and the create a blog is free. That's the part we want. We don't want to use the upgrade and get charged, because if we're going to have a paid solution, then we're going to use WordPress.org, which is WordPress.com's sister program. You'll be asked to confirm your email address via an email that they sent you. You're going to go to your email, you're going to check it, you're going to confirm your email. See, WordPress.com. In order to activate your WordPress Fashion, your WordPress site, ours is WordPress Fashion, but whatever your name is, and you're going to hit this "Thank you for signing up WordPress." Click this button to activate your account. Once that's done, you're going to be taken back to WordPress.com as a user. You now have established an account. Congratulations. In the next steps, we're going to set up our account. These are just examples of some people's accounts and how they look. So you have the first slide is you can select friends, follow your friends, and you could set up a blog title and a tagline. A tagline is the best little pancake house in Texas. So we're going to change our tagline here. We're going to keep our blog title. Learn to build a fashion blog using WordPress. Next step, we're going to choose a theme. A theme is a styling of your blog. There are thousands and thousands of themes in WordPress. We're going to choose a theme that represents the look that you want to your site. If it's a fashion site, you want it to be hip and moving and exciting. If it's a site about puppies, you might want to have an animal-looking theme. Not animal-looking, but a theme with animals in the header or something like that. We're going to create our first post. Posting is how you communicate with your followers. So we're going to create our first post. It says, let's start with signing up to WordPress.com. This step-by-step method is illustrated here. So the step-by-step method of signing up to WordPress, this is going to be our first post. You can post yours. You could say, this is my first post. I'm glad to be in the blogging world. I've wanted to do this for a while. Look forward to me sharing my views, my style, and my ideas with you. We're going to hit publish. Look on the bottom of this, you'll see that it says add tags, and tags are additional information that can go with a post in order to categorize it, like women's wear or men's wear or children's wear or accessories or just fashion information. We're going to select publish, and we just publish that. And we're going to be taken to our dashboard. It says, welcome to your dashboard. The dashboard is where it's on the left-hand side of your blog, and it's where you control your blog setup and look from. You can change whatever you like using your dashboard. And I'm just going through the top menu and just itemizing that each one of these buttons represents something, and you want to click on them so you can become familiar with their function. You can post a quote, post a link. So you can put links in there if you have a website that you like or information that you like. You can write about it. You can add information. You can add pictures. You can add links to take your reader to that information, sort of like a live newspaper. And on the side, on the WordPress icon, you'll see I have new post reader. I have additional information. And the settings, we're going to go through the settings. I'm going to go back over to my blog, and I'm going to come down to my dashboard. And this is the dashboard I was telling you about, where you can control. Notice on the left-hand side, you have home. You have welcome to WordPress.com. You have a video that can walk you through. I suggest you look at this video. It's very informative. So if you look on the left-hand side, you have home, you have comments. I'm coming down to settings. You see general, writing, pending, discussions. And in the settings, you'll see the site title and the tagline, which I can change. I can take that out of there. So I just have, instead of that on the top of my page, I could just have my header, which if you've taken my Photoshop class, you'll know that you can put that information in your header. It's branding. So here we have reading, and this tells you which page your information should go. We have discussions. You can actually check. We have media settings, and media settings tell you what type of images and what size your image is. And we have privacy settings. They allow and search engines to index your page, find your index page, or you can say just private and only people I invite to my page while I'm, and you can change this later while I'm constructing it, while I'm building it. We have share, which is social share, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Tumblr, Yahoo, Answers, Yahoo. Polls, you can take polls. You can actually add a poll to your account, and you can take polls. How many of you like the new celebrities look, or how many of you saw that? You can take polls. Anything to engage your readers, to engage your readers and make them followers. That is a key aspect. Rating settings, email post changes. You can change your email. These are the settings. I'm going through them. Text messaging, you can allow text messaging, so if anyone posts to your account, you'll get it on your phone. So if you're out during the day, if you're at school or at work, you can actually get a notification that somebody posted to your site. And then OpenID trusted site, and then WordPress hooks. Hooks are a lot like plugins, but right now we're not going to, in this video, we're not going to go. We're just concentrating on opening a site, going to WordPress.com, starting a site, and setting it up, choosing a theme, making our first post, and then we're going to continue by making our pages. Thanks. If you have any questions, please send those to wphelp1@gmail.com. WP for WordPress, help 1, the number 1. Thank you.